part, and the other one is my you pay me part. Bayaran mo rin nila? Bayaran mo nila, hindi. Bayaran. So good. So you have the you do part and the you pay me part. So start with, what you're going to do the whole afternoon is, during my time is, you write questions and you answer. Yeah, good. Second, you listen or you sleep. Third, you check your own answers. Fourth, you think or you pretend that you think. Then you shift paradigm or don't. You know, ano ba nyo, I come from the college of teacher education. Karoon na ko ninyo na meet. But who knows? Mag-itik na ko din yung gilok. No? And after this, we will go back to reality. In yung pagka-leader last week, may still be the same with the kind of leadership that you will present next week. Wala ka kabalo. And you pay me part. Akong trabaho, take a smile, give a joke, ask you to read, walk a little in front, pretend to get tired, fake a tired smile, then get paid. How many hours is given to you? 1.5? Okay, there you go. Sige, you do part. Okay, on a piece of paper, instead of giving you a workshop, nang inyon si Angel na 300 mo kabuok, wala niyo na ginawa na ang 300 kabuok yung ipa-workshop. First problem, monitoring. Second problem, presentation. Saan mag-present ang 300 kabuok? Result no? So instead, our workshop would be very individualized. I'm going to ask you to ask yourself, and then you answer your own question. Then you try to help yourself realize the meaning of your answers, and then you give a test later whether you understood your answers and ask whether you really learned. Okay, first question, take it down. What is the primary purpose of your organization? Second, what is your role in the organization? Ilitas ka, role. Libuter. Ano may pulos? Timekeeper. GRO. Think of these roles that you do. Take note, there are two items that I would like to share before we begin. After you don't go, jack of all trades, master to all. That's it. Jack of all trades, master to one. Jack of all trades, master to none. So, tanong ninyo gugulingon karon, mo ko itong tulo. Master to one, master to none, master to all. And normally, leaders are chosen and elected because they wear a mask that they know all. Third, were you nominated, elected, or appointed? Ay, wala na, wala ni clubs or kuhan? Wala yung other term? Club and work? Na-SPO, kasunod. Raise your hands. Ang SSC. Dili ka mo sa, di ba yung dili ka mo may akong bisahon karon, leader mo, tanaw na to karon kung saan yung pagpanubag na dili mo rin sa left side. But it's a free world. O karon, martial law na mo, you stay on my left. Na to, matubag mo yung mabagana. Is there an organization here wherein you were appointed as an officer? Gawa ka representative, no? Appointed ang representative? Okay, other than that, officer na appointed, taas ka mo. Ano mo mag-class?
SBO, sir.
Ako rin nagabot ang representative lagi, appointed man na. What I'm trying to say is an organization in which all the officers were appointed. Wala? Kabalo ko na ha. O, muna akong balaki ko under me. have never seen an organization in which the officers are appointed. Grabe ka. Whatever. Eh, pasensya kayo. Sama ka naman inyong i-invite. Really man ang mga. Number 4. Were your expectations met when you got the position? Of course, namin mga pre-dominant thought, pag ingon na, I'm going to run for a secretary, this would be the job of the secretary. So ito, kapag magtimpla o kape, may kayo sabak, very good meditation, mga yung nagitan. And number 5, you're ready.
What the heck are you doing here?
You answer the question later na. Sige. My motive is to get paid this afternoon. First, let us differentiate 20th from 21st century leaders. Sige, kung objectives, no? Second, identify 21st century skills essential to effective leadership. And third, wala nila ako sa notes ninyo. Katulad na nila ang 5. Define 21st century qualities of proactive agents of change. The agents of change refer to the leaders. Come on. Okay. What are the issues facing students in the 21st century? First, complexity of the community we serve. I would like to point out that our communities, or the communities that we serve right now, are no longer the same with the kind of communities that we served before. Are you aware of that? A community before would simply say yes or no. We will do this and we will do that. A community before say, oh yes. Are they the same? No. Okay, they use different channels to express or to air their mga reklamo against their leaders. May Facebook, may Twitter, may text. May dami. Nakasulay na mo kung ganang ipakinan mo sa inyong kaugaling mong bulletin board? Nakasulay na mo? Tapos, SBO situation, nakasulay na mo. Di mo tangan, di kayo mo magtarong, pagtulion ka mo, wala pa nasulay. Oh, bantay-bantay ha. Ipaskino na mo. Second, when I say complexity of the community we serve, our constituents come and go. That's one of the problems. For this semester, we have these people as College of Arts students. The second semester, dili na. They belong to another college. Before, when we say students of a certain college, ang atong nahibalaan, purely from first year to fourth year, AB lagi na sila. Education lagi na sila. Karoon lahi. Because we are not only serving fresh graduates or those who come from the high school, we are also serving second coursers na mas mature pa kaysa student leaders. Are you aware of that? Na ay mga tigulang lang na estudyante nga mas lawong panabot sa inyo. That's why every time you commit a mistake in your decisions, moto'y una mo, hilo. Oh, dali lang in every class, when there is a matured student in the class, most of them these opinions are kanang makahilo. And if you will not take notice of this kind of complexity, bantay mo, maligis mo sa ulingan ng tao. Second, trouble mindset of young student leaders. So, yung trouble. Election time, pwede kadhana o kanang please vote wisely, but wisely ngayon, now the rules. Pagkatapog yun. Have you tried visiting boarding houses during the election time? Yes or no? Pagkatrapo gito. Bata ko yan mo, trapo na ang ginaiya. Ayaw na nagad sa estudyante a week before the election time. Mga trapo gito sa mga characteristics, no? When we started Sabakana in the year, pasensya ha, 1996, there were 8 of us. Natukod ko siya, which is a combination of representatives coming from, I think, 4 colleges, for schools. Okay, BSc kung natatuna. 2 from BSc, 2 from BE, 2 from CAS, 2 from Commerce. When we created this, ang una na mo i-direklamuhan ang SSC officers namo gamitin dito sa House Malibo, wine, formal dinner. But at the end of the year, we could not see any tangible projects or improvements intended for student empowerment. Wala yun. And then we said, let's make a change. It was for the first time that in the history of student politics, nag-landslide ang Samakana from president down to mga SBO. Why nilusot nga parte? Katulad din sa tanan. Tal-tal na mo tanan ang problema, and we found out there were a lot of missing funds and there were plenty of shady activities. Unfortunately, the second generation of Samakana and those that followed were not that. Alay mo kinagasunod, hindi nga kumabistay. Next, community demands versus half-baked commitment of elected or appointed leaders. Right now, many of our students are not actually active, passive, but in a way, very concerned with what's going on. They're very concerned with how the leaders manage the organization. Pero dili mo tingog, tama nagit pagulbol. And take note, dayo kay diferensya ang what the community demands and the half-baked commitment of elected or appointed. Even in my own organization, ma-feel ko na sa mga half-baked commitments ka na bitaw kung tunga o ganahan. When it was time to work, gaunang uli or kanang ulahin mo abot. When there is a free meal during work time, gaabot, pag libre, wala. Can you identify that among your ranks? Ay, kung ina nga, hardworking mo tanan, nakagiman isa good or duha. No? Hindi kompleto ang barkada kapag walang engot na kasama. So, kinanglan nakaginan, kalay-kalay sa inyong grupo. And take note, this kind of behavior of a member also affects the hard-working ones. No? Right now, the community demands for efficiency, demands for service-oriented leaders. So what kind of orientations do you possess right now? May na mga certain practices na kung ikon ka natupagon sa SSC. Next, how the system works versus how your mind works. Take note that the great leaders in history do not adhere to the system. However, mga anak, great one example is Tony Miloto. Who is Tony Miloto? One of the authors of Gawad Kalinga. Kung nagsubay pa na siya sa system, he would have a hard time building communities. Ang hindi mo, gawas sa gobyerno, mobilize resources, work with people to create communities. Mo na yung hindi mo. Kamo, I do not know your protocol. Maybe you have protocol slide. Before your requests are answered, dapat magabi of 2 days. Yung letter, saan yung mga sample sa protocol? One leader would like to do a project intended for student empowerment. Dili ka katugtan because dili gauyon ang advisor. May tago na. Tago na. There is one leader who is very dynamic, magnanimous ang iyang main value, makamobilize o dagang tao, but then again, his way of mobilizing people as well as putting into action his thoughts, dili gasubay sa usual procedure. Nahanap siya. And is it a problem? Yes, definitely it is a problem. Everybody read.
Modern leaders must change the way we meet the reality of 21st century.
Okay, we have to change Maybe we should ask, what's the ang 21st century that is according to Adipecos? No? Read as fast as you can. And take down notes. My point exactly. There are so many, ako ng example, there are so many presenters using PowerPoint presentation. But when they design the slides, they would put plenty of tables and plenty of words. Kasi nga, the concept or the procedure in designing slides is 6 by 6. 6 lines per slide, 6 words per line. All in all, 36 words. But still, butang lang yung namin. Butang meaning. Butang dito minubo nga. My point exactly. So you're supposed to do it like this. Many of us are still following the traditional method of leadership. So this is what we call the 21st century skills, according to Engage. As you can see there, the values or the skills are divided into 4 quadrants. So you have digital age literacy, inventive thinking, effective communication, and high productivity. I would like to point out one aspect with regards to traditional approach in leadership of 21st century. Ang bulletin board sa SSC ata nakabutan. Right in the entrance. Kung sa'y tulad. Tama, nakatubak mo, sa'y tulad. Sila atong natiguran din kami yung leader. Pag umanap mo tulis natigo sa ilan, tawag mo natigo sa inyo. Unsay tulad? Organizational chart, Baptist chart, Catholic chart, and many churches. That is to let you know that I heard one of your ideas last year towards the end of the school year, and you said, kung wala nag-appeal sa meeting, pabayaron, ayong mo? There was one. There was a meeting towards the end of the school year, and you said, those who did not join will be fined with 500 pesos, hindi yun? Ayong mo? Ba? Na ano? May mga firm na nala siya, na? Nakatulog mo ko, because some of the clubs failed to join. Na-realize na ko, wala mo naka-join. Sir, wala ko din may nakatulog. Wala mo nakatulog. Wala may bulletin board. This is what I meant with this. When teachers utilize PowerPoint presentation, they are driven to put as many words as they can on the slide. Kaya maumay na andan, murag chalkboard. It's supposed to be, you can put diagrams. Who is the PIO of the SSC? What is your method of disseminating information to the class? Okay. How effective is the DXBU and the announcement on the board with regards to dissemination of information? To fight into it. Mamutan ako. Is it effective? Yes or no? Honest answer, okay na naman mapalan niyo karon. Mapalihan sa mga leaders na talaga, hindi na ko mag-istorya, pero actually, ipagulbol. Effective or not? Sorry, not. The weapon na? It's not. It does not work. One of your skills in the 21st century, ay, kasabur ha? Ano ito? Gawin ni baka na ito. So, one of the skills here is, effective communication. Before, effective communication is simply, you talk to me, I talk back to you, and that is already communication. Right now, it's not. You give me a different form or a different signal, I'm going to translate it to another, and I'm going to send you a new kind of signal. Nga makasabot ka dito hapon. Example, you send me an email, I'm going to use that or transform that into text, I'm going to answer you using chat. But still, we understood each other. This is to let you know, people, that there are so many channels of communication nowadays. Ang maestro keeps on talking in front of the class, but the students are accessing internet search engines. Do they meet? Date yun. Ang nasa ibabaw magamit ng announcement, which is made up of paper, ang nasa ubos, the cellphone, the Facebook. Nakuha ninyo ang disalignment? Make use of many channels. Nabang mo yung website? SSC? Na? Facebook ra. Why na? Use one. Design a website. Sa'yo na kaya na. Puso kabalo. Kadali na kaya na. At least with that website, nabang dito. Kailang activities of the year. Ano ba? Or if not, kung mas kuha ng Facebook, hawak ang class. Ano yung Facebook group? Oh, see? Mas dali. If you have a Facebook group and you will friends mo with the other groups, mas dali ang information. Kung kami ng mga gagmay organizations would spend money to text every member of an organization, 111 na karon akong kapatextan. May kayo may unli text. I think the SSC can do that also. This is to make you realize that the 21st century is so different with the 20th. Layo, layo. Kaya posting announcements on the board is not enough. Kung pwede, istoryahon, i-post, use the XBU, use the networking sites, use your website if you have one, and wala na yung asong madilim mapil. No? Then you also have high productivity. Later on, mention na siya. I would like to point out a lecture of Gary Granada. Sa 25 years ko dito sa mundo, wala pa akong nakitang club o church o sekta o kulto o political group na nagsasabing, we are number 2. Pero kahit wala natin isama yung mga yabang na makikita, there are a lot of good people from all varieties of beliefs and traditions who truly believe in what they believe in and are driven by honorable intentions and yet are unwilling to sincerely listen to each other. Sabi, for those who truly believe, it is easier to surrender one's life than to abandon one's faith. Ano ang nangyari at ang mga taong pare-parehong naghahangad ng kabutihan ay nagiging mortal na magkalaban? Siguro ganito yun. Lahat ng samaan o kilusan ay nagsasabing, serve the people. And in order to serve the people better, we need to make ourselves stronger. Sounds logical. But in the process, nakakalimutan natin yung ating original na intention at nalululong tayo sa making ourselves stronger. Stronger than others. Even stronger than the people themselves. And we say 3 things. 1, tayo lang ang tama. That's fundamentalism. 2, bawal makinig sa turo ng iba. That's sectarianism. And 3, kahit pareho pa yung sinasabi nila sa sinasabi natin, tayo lang ang wasto at totoong organisasyon. That's centralism. Pag pinagsama natin yung tatlong yun, yun ang ibig sabihin ng unilateralism. Ano ang alternative? The opposite of unilateralism, pluralism. It suggests tolerance, dialogue, intersubjectivity, fair play, objectivity, and understanding where others are coming from. But how do you tolerate the intolerant? And how can you be in their shoes when you are in your own shoes?
proximity. That could be. Kaya ang mga organisms ay self-serving at self-preserving simply because of our physical proximity to our own bodies. Inuuna natin ang ating mga sarili. Hindi necessarily dahil sa tayo ay mga sakim at immoral, kundi dahil tayo ang pinakamalapit sa ating sarili. Ang sarili ang unang nakakadama at nakakamonitor ng sariling gutom, sakit, sarap, at imahinasyon. Kaya of course, uunahin ng may sarili ang kanyang sarili. Perhaps someday, baka posibleng tanggalin na lang natin o i-modify yung mga genes o segments ng ating DNA na nagbubuyo sa atin magiging excessively self-consumed. Pero baka matagal pa yun. Bukod sa baga, hindi na yun ethically acceptable sa marami. Meanwhile, we might want to consider the element of time and how it figures into the layers and layers of violence that we inflict upon each other. We might want to give a little more attention to the virtues of humility, forbearance, and even slowness. At makasakaling in the process, kahit papano, we can somehow manage to transcend our proximity to ourselves.
Two years ago, nalaktusan naman niya ang SBL education. Siguro ito ka mo, wala pang magto. When one time, many of the students complained over the t-shirts distributed to them. Yan na, nadunggan po sa ito, galing yung college. During intramurals, when they received their uniforms, there were so many complaints. Paano na sa uniform, apit po complain, bro, kung nagbayad, apit po complain. And when the leaders wore their SBO uniforms, pagkatsada, mas tsada pa kaysa estudyante. I remember, kapit, i-compare ito na, no? Sa mga panahon, leaders do not wear a different kind of uniform. Personally, akong pagtuwa kayo, your uniform does not make you a leader. When you stand in front of the crowd, even if your uniform is the same with the rest of the students, they would know that you are the leader. I remember during our time, we wore the same uniform. Wala na special uniform kay white naman na polo shirt o uniform sa babae. But every time we will have assemblies, general assemblies, or college assemblies, ang among SSC ga-appeal sa college assemblies. For what purpose? Support. The support ng SSC during the college assemblies. So, do they do there? Maglingkod na. Naman sa may activity day at una. Do we wear special kinds of uniform? Wala may. Nag-adhere with me na uniforms does not make you a leader. Take note, nitaog man mo no? Because of what qualities? Unsang una? Unsay nga as a leader? Pinakauna. Wala niyo ba lang yung nakakadawag mo? Ako nakakita ko na sa inyo mga nawang mo. Anay silid, nakakit sa inyo. Ito nga number one. Wala nila yung kabalo? Unsay naka sa inyo mga kadawat mo? Nganong nakadawat, unsay unang qualification para madawat ka sa trabaho? Ano ito? Next, pleasing personality. Paatras ang mukha, paabanti ang dibdib, at maputi ang kiwi-kiwi. Pagpangit ka, doble hirap maghanap ng trabaho. Are you aware of that? No. Yes. People will judge you physically first. Bring it on the running, you have a very small chance of getting hired. That's why you package yourself properly. Checkered na brown, slacks na brown. Paano na dito sa paper cloth na yung nagkandag? What I'm trying to say here is that ang pinakauna na naka sa inyo is charisma. Ang charisma sa tao. Ang charisma sa leader. Nakakita ng charisma, kanang when the person starts to talk, pakalini ang ordinary ng estudyante. When they start to touch shoulders and to shake hands with ordinary students, mabito ba yan, alive! Kid-kid kang matungnan. This is what we mean with charisma. When they speak, they look at their constituents straight in the eyes. And it is as if when they talk in front of the crowd, makapitatak sa niyang istorya ang kada estudyante. This is what we call charisma. Second, hindi kaduhan niyo quality na naa sa 21st century. Give me a good quality na dapat na-possess sa leader. Sabi ng tao. What I see with political will is, what? He knows what he does. He does. No? Gapos of people's kids. And he knows so much about the legalities of making decisions. Okay, everybody read. Go. Go. I know that some of your groups, mga small groups ninyo, your advisor would say, dili kita mag-away. Dapat friends ta and family so that we can make good projects and activities. Do you believe in that? Yes? Okay, video ko, katawa na. Nakinangan, amigo kang tanan. So that when we plan, then we execute our plans, tuloy-tuloy ang atong projects. Do you hear your leader saying na dapat friends ta? Nakalong na mo? Ako ba I do not believe in that. Una, first na rin, king pool. Kung sa'yo meaning sa king pool, pabiyan na tayo na-una-un. Pabiyan na tayo gagabatiun. Wala mo kabulong, namatay ng utanan. Because nobody is there to do the check and balance. Like I said, dili kompleto ang barkada pag walang engot na kasama. Within your organization, allow the axe grinder. Natin ito ang axe grinder na tao. Kanang axe grinder na tao, muna inyong kaawayon. Kapoy yun sa member kay sige lang reklamo, di ba galihok na siya. Ayan paglihok na yan pagreklamo. Every time you propose an idea and 90% agrees with it, kaya sa pirmi nga. Wala siguro, bigyan ang schedule, puan. Operate, kala, and many other complaints. Do you allow this kind of person in a community or in a group? Oh, allow it. I-allow siya na naamoy acts. Ay, mga kitawag ninyo devil's advocate. Within your group, i-allow ang devil's advocate. So, pagkaluoy po ninyo kung 90% devil's advocate, luoy yung leader, anak. Isa lang. Okay na ang isa. No? A 21st century leader creates system. System refers to people who can work, who understands legalities of movements, makasabot sa kind of interaction between and among systems. Kaya bitawang, when you facilitate activities among clubs and organizations, lahi ang pagdala. When you talk to people, kasi inyong kontra, inyong president, when Mr. Gramo kanang deals with you, lahi ang level sa professionalism. Pagsaka na niya dito sa Board of Regents, lahi po na siya. No? Okay, all of those are professionals. Pagbalik niya sa classroom, underdog na siya. He is under the mayor of the class. So this is what we mean by systems. Create teams. Do you have working committees sa SSC? Like kung may program na ang chair, kita members. Dili. Kabulong sa inyo members, kanit sila. Nakiti yung TL. That's very difficult to say no. Then sakit ba? Oo, sakit. Kay 21st century na mo, na mo yung Facebook. Pag-upload sa picture, anak, sus, gagabon-gabon yung mata. Di ko ano yun. Next, muna kong doon pasabot. local student teachers and student leaders and leaders from other SUCs. Ito ito ninyo. Link mo no?